I have to admit, this palette is like the mean popular chick. This one really is like mean girls, like we only wear pink on Wednesdays. Welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am here today to do this look. This is off of the new Juvia's Place Sweet Pinks palette. So I can't wait. Just give you this look. Just get into this look, guys. So let's get right into the tutorial. I can't wait. It's so cute. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. I enjoyed it. It makes me feel extra girly and cutesy and pinky. Purple is usually my vibe, but pink sometimes she gets me. They're close. They're close cousins. So with this palette, you do get 6 colors. It retails for $14. You can use coupons off and on. I forget, a little cheaper because I always do. If you guys can see from my tutorial, I kind of already have a favorite color. I actually have 2 of them. And they're right there in the center. So that's why I had to pop on the light Barbie. Like this one right here is like a 1980s hot pink Barbie. It is fantastic. Now I wish it was a little more silky when you put it on. It's just Barbie pink. Look at that, just 1980s Barbie pink, neon pink. I love it. It is so pretty. I'm gonna wear that with every pink cutesy looking look. I love it. I was like, I need to try that color. And then of course the matte hot purple. This one's like a hot pinkish purple. I don't know if you guys know about that one lipstick by NYX. It was like a hot pink but purple background. It was like legit. Everyone knew about it. It was great. This color right here, that reminds me of that lipstick but eyeshadow form. So this little palette, I'm actually liking these little palettes. I like smaller palettes sometimes because it's like, just give me a little bit what I need. There are 3 shimmers in here and 3 mattes. And this palette is just, it's so cute. All her 6-pan palettes are just so adorable. And I like their medium size. I like, you know, that size. I like small ones. I like the bigger ones. And I think on the color story, it's really cute. This is a really cute. Any girls that like pinks, anybody like pinks, To me, this one always reminds me of like Sweet 16. Just like I told you, the Glam Light birthday cake one, it reminds me of like Sweet 16. This one, I ain't gonna lie, this reminds me of like Mean Girls and Heatherettes. Like all of the like Mean Girls, like all the chick flicks are just like the mean popular girls. Like this is, I have to admit, this palette is like the mean popular chick. Like if Legally Blonde was mean and she was rude as hell. Pretty much this one is like the Mean Girls like palette. It's so cute. Like I know there's a Mean Girls palette. It's like, okay, it has a little color. This one really is like Mean Girls. Like we only wear pink on Wednesdays. Like literally, like it's so cute. I was like, when I got this palette, I was waiting for it. I was like, I want to see how pink, I wanted to see how Juvia's Place does it on us melanized girls. Cause I'm like, I want my little Sweet 16 hot pink Mean Girls kind of, you know, kind of compilation of makeup. I'm just, oh, I love this palette. It's just so cute. It's just so cute. Like it made me see everything pink, everything freaking pink. My robe pink, the background pink. This one I didn't get to play with her too much, but I really want to. Let's watch the other shimmers. Let's just watch them. This is the first one. That's number 1. This is number 3. Swatches aren't horrid, but you know. The light matte pinks, you can see I used that in the base and the background. Those are actually very pretty, and I used the salmon one underneath to just blend out that purple to not make it so harsh, to give a little gradation to it, because you know pink and purples can start just mending and start really turning to each other. But this palette, it was yeah, what stayed purple, what stayed pink. So on my eyes you can definitely see where the purple kicks in, and all the rest of the pink you can see it. So I really like this palette. I believe this is a really good cute little palette. If you like pinks, if you like cutesy palettes, if you want just like one color, just you like, I just want some pink, give me some pink, some little bit of salmon looking colors, lighter pinks, and then you have a lot of the different variations of shimmer. So it's like a cool light shimmer, a warm salmon shimmer, and then that typical Barbie pink shimmer. It gives you all 3 of those, and then all 3 of those mattes. So I can't wait to try a lighter look with this and see how that goes, because this, of course, I had to dig into the purple pink. I had to dig into it because I have to, it's me. And then of course, Juvia's Place. Of course, she got the 2 ladies, the 2 sisters on the front. And of course, in the front, she got it too. And then on the back, it says a sleek and beautiful hand-picked sweet pinks to create stunning looks. I love it. This palette, it's just, everything is pinky pink. It's so cute. Like I'm obsessed with this. This palette is adorable. Like you want a cute little pink look. I think I have other pink palettes, but like this one I know for sure I'm gonna grab it. Anytime I think about pink, I'm just gonna be like, where's my sweet pinks? Where is it? So it's just so cute. I knew the minute I seen swatches of it, I said, I need it, because I don't have an all pink palette, I believe. I have pastels, I have purples, but I don't have all pink and good pink that I know will definitely show up on me. So this was just a home run for me. She need more. She need to come up more. I really want to see how Juvia's Place does a whole yellow palette. I'm curious, because I know on this channel, guys, if you don't know, if anyone's new, hey, how you doing? What's up? I really love yellow, browns, yellow tones. I'm more golden yellow tone. It may not show on camera, but I very much am. And I really, any yellow, brown, and yellow color that shows up on me as pigmented, I'm forever gonna buy that palette. I love yellow. So I really want to see what Juvia's Place does. Is she gonna go the monochromatic route? Because she gave us chocolate, she gave us nude, she gave us violets, and now we have pink, we have mauve and taupes. Look out for those videos. And so it's like, I wonder what she's gonna do next. Is she gonna do all blues? Well, she kind of already did a green one, kind of like a fall kind of one. So I wonder if she's gonna do blue. Please do yellow, because I really want to see. I kind of want to see how she does her oranges. I like it. I'm in the vibe, Juvia. I'm in the vibe. I'm feeling the vibe of this cute little pink, little pinky moment. It's just cute. I love it. See, it makes me just put on pink. I put on pink lipstick for no reason. It's just so cute. It's just so cute. But 14 bucks, is it worth it? It sure is. Of course, it's Juvia's Place. Of course it's worth it. And of course it's pigmented. Like, you pop it on and go. You know what I mean? Like, you can put on the matte, from the shimmer, and go about your way. You could probably even use your finger for the shimmers and just like put it on. Cute little lash, brows, gloss, go outside the house with a little mask on. Give me more, Juvia. I just want more. Give me more, don't ever stop. So that was my review over the new Juvia's Place Sweet Pink palette. There's more to come too, guys. Thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me which palette is your favorite out of this collection that she just came out with. Well, added collection, that is. And also don't forget to hit the notification button while you are down there. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.